Another beautiful day in Sydney today. So today I'm going to be doing the Taronga Zoo to the Balmoral Beach walk. There are a series of beautiful lookouts along the way. We're going to go through the Bradley's Head. This is one of my favorite part of the walk. Then we go to the George's Heights. There's some beautiful lookouts, one of the best lookouts on this walk from the George's Head. There's lots of history along this walk. Beautiful beaches. This is the Whiting Beach. This is right next to the Taronga Wharf. It's a little bit of a side trail. You can come around on a hot summer day, go for a swim first. So it's a beautiful walk. I already done this one in the past couple of times. It's one of my favorite ones after the Spit to Manly. I think this is one of my top 3 harbor walks. Here's another view. This beautiful Whiting Beach. So the best way to access the trailhead for this walk is to jump on a ferry from Circular Quay. There are regular ferry services from Circular Quay. You can also start from the Balmoral Beach, so you can do this one in either way. I've done it in both directions. I think it just doesn't matter. Depends on your personal preference. So this is the entrance to the Taronga Zoo. It's just about 50 meters walk from the wharf. The tickets are $55 for the adult, $33 for children. And the actual walk starts right behind the zoo. So we're just gonna continue along the coast towards the Bradley Head. So we are in the Sydney Harbour National Park at the moment, and I'm taking another side trail towards the Athol Bay and Athol Beach. It's just literally about 50 meters detour from the main trail. I'm going to show you the beach. There's another beautiful beach here, right at the beginning of the walk. So this entire walk from the Athol Beach towards the Bradley Head is a one big scenic lookout. So you get to see Opera House, Harbour Bridge and the city from a few different angles. We're not too far from the Bradley's Head. There's some military installations from late 1800s there. So we're gonna stop there. There's a little lighthouse. So the other side of the Bradley's Head is a very peaceful bushwalk. You've got the signs along the trail teaching you about the wildlife, about the plants and animals that you can see all around you. The beautiful fern field right behind me. You can see it's almost like a proper Aussie bush. As you can see, the trail is very muddy. So here's another side trail towards the Taylor's Bay beach. So this is the bay, the one before the Chowder Bay. So I'm gonna take a quick detour. So that was a beautiful Taylor's Bay and a Taylor's Beach. Very nice spot for a swim in the summer. Now we're coming onto the Chowder Point, and from there onto the Chowder Bay. There's a big picnic ground there with a big large grassy area. So this is a beautiful Clifton Gardens. I'm gonna take a small break here and hide from the sun. are currently here. So we're gonna climb this trail right next to the building all the way up here. So this is the Georges Heights. These are some nice lookouts, and these are the barracks in here. Very nice area. We're gonna take some photos from there, and we're gonna continue along the headland, and here are the steps to the Balmoral Beach. So this is where we finish. So that was the Georges Head and the Gunners Barracks. Beautiful views from here. We're almost at the place where the trail's gonna split. So the left goes to the Balmoral Beach, and a straight, if you want to explore the middle head, you can carry on straight. You can add a few extra kilometers. So as you can see, there's some modern art here, big sculptures. There's a nice little restaurant in the back there. We're coming onto the beautiful lookout section. So from here you can see all the way to the Watson's Bay. This is the Hornby Lighthouse in the horizon. So here you go, Watson's Bay. So I didn't get to finish the walk right to Balmoral Beach that day, but the final section takes you down a long wooden staircase that winds through the bush before opening out onto the sand. At the bottom you'll find cafes, restaurants, and a beautiful stretch of beach to unwind after the walk.